Hello students, today we will discuss about the new chapter coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study about the points in a plane. What we study? We study about the points in a plane. How? Look here. It is coordinate geometry. It is branch of mathematics in which we study about one in a plane. Now look here about the plane. XY plane, total this plane, that is X plane, Y. XY plane is divided by two mutually perpendicular lines. Here, two lines are mutually perpendicular. This is Y axis, Y dash, yes, and X dash. And where they intersect, that is known as origin O. Now, total plane is divided by two mutually perpendicular lines, and if we want to denote any point in a plane, then with the help of this Cartesian plane, this is known as the Cartesian plane, with the help of this Cartesian plane, we can determine the position of the any point. Look here, this line, we study a point in a plane. The plane is divided by two mutually perpendicular lines. Two mutually perpendicular lines. These lines are called x-axis and y-axis. Look here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and where they intersect, that point is known as origin. So, if we want to locate any point in the plane, then we use the Cartesian plane, we use that mutual line, perpendicular line to locate that point. Here, on x-axis, the x-axis is also known as abscissa, and the y-axis is known as ordinate. The x-axis is also known as x-axis is known as abscissa, and y-axis is known as ordinate. And the point A, X, Y, that is known as order pair. This order pair, the X point will be on x-axis and Y point will be on y-axis. So if you want to locate the point A, X, Y, then we need the point on x-axis, that is abscissa, and the point on y-axis, this is ordinate. Look here, how you will locate, and how you will locate the point, and how you will get the exact position of that point with the help of coordinate geometry. Now, here the plane, x-axis and y-axis. Now, if the point is on one axis, mark x-axis, point on x-axis, that is x0. If you take the point A on x-axis, the coordinate will be x0, because at the x-axis there is no perpendicular line, there is no perpendicular point, no y-axis is there, no distance towards y-axis, only on x-axis y will be 0, and on y point on y-axis, that is 0 y. So you can locate here B, that is 0, y. And if it is between x-axis and y-axis, point C here, that is denoted as x, y. So point C, x-axis, x distance, y-axis, y distance. So the point where you want to locate between x and y plane, that is point C, coordinate is x, y. You already studied in class 9. And what you have to do? You have to find the distance between 2 points. Now look here, the distance OA. What will be OA? Look here, about OA only x-axis is there, so x unit. OA, that is x unit only. And what will be OB? OB, that is y unit. Now what about OC? Look here about OC. What will be OC? How you will find OC? Very simple, you can find OC also with the help of the triangle OAC. Here the right angle triangle is given, and you already know about the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle you can apply Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OAC. In triangle OAC, OC square is equal to OA square plus AC square. Pythagoras. OA is already given x square plus y square. So OC is equal to under root x square plus y square. So you can find any point on the plane xy, that is OC. OC is equal to x square plus y square. Now look here. OC. OC will be OA square plus AC square. Now how we will find the distance between 2 points A and B? The coordinate of A and B is given. A and B is given. Distance between 2 points A, x1, y1, B, x2, y. Now look here, the distance between 2 points. Point A and B. A, x1, y1, and O verging x-axis and y-axis. Y-axis. Look here, you can find this one. O, that is OC, that is x. You can find OD, x2. Now look here, you can find a position. This one, this mark is y1, and this mark is y2. You know very well, you always measure the distance from origin, and here the x1, y1 is the coordinate. So the x coordinate will be x1 and y coordinate will be y1. So that is y1, that is x1. And in the case of B, x coordinate is x2. So this one will be x2 and this one will be y2. Now CD, AB, A, x1, y1, A, B, C, D, E. Now look here, F and G. In triangle ABE, you have to find distance between 2 points. A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. Look here, in triangle ABE, what will be AB square equal to AE square plus EB square. Now look here, AE. What about AE? By Pythagoras. What about AE? AE is equal to CD. Look here, A is equal to CD. CD means OD minus OC. How will get CD? OD minus OC. That is OD minus OC. So S2 minus S1. That is AE. Now look here about the BC. BC is equal to this much GF. BC is equal to GF. That is OG minus OF. OG is Y2 minus Y1. Now put the value of AE and EB. EB is equal to, now look here, EB is equal to GF. So you can put the value of AE and EB. So AB square is equal to AE square plus EB square. Look here, AE is x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. So you can write AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. That is the distance between 2 points. Look here again. You have to find the distance between A and B. You already know. You can find the distance OC, that is very easy, x1, and distance OD, that is x2, distance OA, that is y1, distance OF, that is y2. With the help of this coordinate, you can find the AE and EB in triangle AEB, that is right angle triangle. So AE is equal to CD. So you can write OD minus OC. So OD minus OC, that is x2 minus x1. Now look here about the EB. EB is equal to GF. So EB is equal to GF. You can write here OF. OF minus OG. OF minus OG. OF minus OG, that is y2 minus y1. So now in already know in triangle AB from equation 1. What is it given in equation 1? AB square is equal to A square plus EB square. So AB square, AE x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. This will be the distance between 2 points. With the help of this formula, you can find the distance of any point from origin. If x1, y1 is at origin, distance of any point A, x, y from origin. Now look here, the origin is 0, 0 and A is x, y. So what will be OA? Look here, distance between 2 points D is equal to AB, that is B, distance D is equal to OA. Now that is equal to x2 minus x1, x minus 0 का whole square plus y minus 0 का whole square, that is x square plus y square. So this is the distance of any point from origin. So with the help of this, you can find the distance between 2 points. So again, recap the chapter. What is coordinate geometry? First, you should know about the coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is the branch of mathematics in which we study about the position of any point in a plane. If you want to locate any point in a plane, suppose करिए आप किसी point को आप कहते हैं कि ट्यूबलाइट लगाना है अपने दीवार पे, तो दीवार पे ट्यूबलाइट लगाना, आप वहां जाना नहीं चाहते, मिस्त्री को बताना चाहते हैं कि कहाँ लगाना है, तो आप अपनी दीवार से उसकी पोजीशन बता दिए कि भाई एक्स एक्सिस पे आप इतनी दूरी 2 फीट चलेंगे और ऊंचाई उसकी 5 फीट चलेंगे, तो वो पोजीशन जहाँ होगी 2 और 5 विल बी द पोजीशन ऑफ दैट ट्यूबलाइट. तो इस तरह आप उसकी पोजीशन बिना वहां जाए बता सकते हो विद द हेल्प ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. तो कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री इज हेल्प टू लोकेट द पॉइंट इन अ प्लेन. सो इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स इन व्हिच वी स्टडी अबाउट the position of point in a plane, and this is known as Cartesian plane, and this total plane is divided by 2 mutually perpendicular lines, and these 2 mutually perpendicular lines are known as axis. horizontal line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis. Now if you want to locate the point on x-axis, on x-axis y will be 0, on y-axis x will be 0. So the point on x-axis, that is x 0, and point on y-axis will be 0 y. You know very well. First of all, if you want to locate the point, we use the first point, that is abscissa, that is the point on x-axis, and the second point will be ordinate, that is point on y-axis, and on x-axis y is 0, so the point on x-axis will be x 0, and the point on y-axis, you know, x is equal to 0, so if you want to locate the point on y-axis, that will be 0 and y, because we write first one is on x coordinate, that is known as abscissa, and the second one is the y coordinate. So order pair will be in the form of abscissa and ordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. On the y-axis, the x coordinate will be 0, so and y coordinate will be y, so 0 y will be the point on x-axis. And if the point is in plane between the x and y axis, so you will locate as xy, and you can locate with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Already I have dictated कि आप इसको ऐसे पाइथागोरस से भी निकाल सकते थे OAB, तो आप इससे ये डिस्टेंस x हो गया, ये डिस्टेंस y हो गया. With the help of Pythagoras theorem, you can find OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square, that is x square plus y square, so that is x under root. OA is equal to under root x square plus y square. That will be the formula for the point which is between x and y plane. Now, if you have to find the distance between 2 points, x1 y1 and x2 y2, which is in xy plane, so you can find, look here, a x1 y1, b x2 y2. x1 this coordinate, x coordinate, y1 y coordinate. So x1 will be this much and y1 will be this much. Now x2 y2, x2 will be this much and y2 will be this much. With the help of this one, you can find this much. That is x2 minus x1. You can write here also x2 minus x1, and this much, that is y2 minus y1. So you can write here about this much, that is y2 minus y1, and with the help of Pythagoras theorem in triangle AEB, you can apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle AEB. AB square is equal to AE square plus EB square. AE is x2 minus x1, you already know here, and EB is equal to y2 minus y1 by applying the theorem. You can find AB square is equal to AE square plus EB square. So AB will be x2 minus x1 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. That's all. आपको ये डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, और अब इस डिस्टेंस फार्मूला का यूज करके आप जो है पूरी एक्सरसाइज, पहले एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. ऑल द बेस्ट. आप लोग अपने घर पे रहें, सेफ रहें, और जो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है, यू कैन शेयर ऑन व्हाट्सएप. यू नो मेरी माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर 9450583197. If you have any problem in video, you can ask to me and you can share to me your views. Thank you. Have a nice day.